Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. It is another lovely 7 o'clock in the morning in Ireland. You see the sun is out. It's about 35 degrees Celsius, so it's really hot out. It's really nice. Why the fuck is there a random person walking across the road? I don't know these things. And I wish it was 35 degrees out and sunny. It's miserable. It's wet. It's absolutely bleh, rotten. Don't know why I fucking done that. I don't know why I done that. But I have a quick video. It's a kind of a gear overview, and today was kind of the best day for it, really. But yeah, my new bit of gear. It's a Rukka jacket. I bit the bullet, splashed out on an actual good Gore-Tex jacket. For those who don't live in Ireland, we generally don't have a summer. This summer's been absolutely beautiful, like amazing weather for the first time in ages. But now that the summer's kind of ending, like it's August now, it's mid-August. Well, not mid-August, I think it's like the 17th, 16th, 17th, something like that. Now the season is starting to change now. Fuck's sake. God damn it. Summer's gone. The season's starting to change. The rain is coming. The leaves are going to be falling. The only good thing about it is new bike shopping. Yes, bitches.
Okay, ladies, you know what this means.
That'll be much later though, so don't worry. Yeah, I wanted to do a quick kind of overview of my new jacket, considering it's an expensive jacket, and generally all the other gear reviews I do on this channel is more kind of budget friendly. Just because when I started out riding, I pretty much had no budget. I started like driving, or I started riding bikes out of like pure passion and just the want to do it. That also meant I had fuck all money, so I really had to cheap out in the gear that I bought. The gear that I bought was fine for what it was, but now that I can afford proper gear, I'm just like, grand, I'm gonna buy decent stuff. But the main thing with say the Gore-Tex gear is that it is expensive, but say if I get 5 years out of this jacket, it's gonna pay itself off. Like, you're talking less than €100 a year for this jacket if you're doing over 5 years. You know, if you're buying a cheap jacket for say €100, you're going to be changing it every year. You might even change it twice a year. I know I had to. Thankfully it's not like really heavy rain, it's just that morning misty rain. I gotta get petrol too, damn it. Rukka stands out on its own when it comes to Gore-Tex jackets. I was going to get a Dainese one. So for those who don't know, I got Dainese gloves, boots and pants, all Gore-Tex. Actually no, the gloves aren't Gore-Tex. They're like they're D-dry, I think it is, which is amazing. The hands have never been wet, which is pretty good. But I was going to get a Dainese one, but the Rukka one was on sale. Rukka is Rukka, so I said, you know what, fuck it, I'm going to buy it, and I want to see why everyone hypes up about it, because everyone just says there's no better jacket. So like, just for a figure perspective of this gear, the jacket itself, like, so this is so if you want to kind of Gore-Tex yourself out. So my Gore-Tex gear is fairly cheap, fairly standard priced for Gore-Tex gear. So it's not expensive and it's not cheap, if that makes sense. So the jacket was just under 600. I think it was like, actually no, I think it was just over 500, so it wasn't too bad at all for a Gore-Tex jacket. It's not bad. The pants and the boots were about 300 each. And then my gloves were like €67. The gloves weren't that expensive. And as you can see, you're kind of up over $1,000 already for Gore-Tex gear. And you can get better gear, especially with Rukka. You can get pants and a jacket for about, I think it's about $1,000, a little bit over $1,000. But look, if you have the money and you're going to be riding in this rain, Rukka or Gore-Tex is the way to go. The whole waterproof stuff doesn't work. From my experience, it's never worked for me. It will work for a while, then it just gives up. My pants and my boots I've had for over a year. Never had an issue with them. What a nice man. I thought this was meant to be an overview of my jacket. It kind of just turned into a talk about Gore-Tex. Once you use Gore-Tex, you'll never go back. It's fucking magic. That's all it is. It is magic. I've been hit in the worst of weather, and I've been bone dry. Absolutely bone dry. Yeah, so what do I think of my jacket? Is it worth its €500? So far, yeah. I've been stuck in a few heavy showers and been fine. No issues. It's actually very, very comfortable as well. It's really, really light, so it's a little bit of room in it. So like I got a hoodie on underneath it, but it's still nice and comfortable. The only thing I really don't like about it is the shoulder pad. So it has I think it's like D20. I think that's what it's called. Like the really, really fancy mold to your bones, mold to your body, like armor. It's not the CE approved bollocks that you get, literally like a sheet of foam. It's not that. It's like the next best thing in like armor. Like the next best thing for would be like a external one. External, so that's not the right word. Like a one that you actually put on separately. You buy them. Like you get the Alpine Stars are generally fairly good. Dainese as well. But the jacket itself is really, really comfortable. It's actually fairly warm. Like I'm slightly cold now, but that's just because there's like a breeze going up my sleeve. The neck comes up so fucking high on it, like it actually touches the back of the helmet. It is a little uncomfortable, but I know that's just something I'm going to get used to. It also comes like a Gore-Tex removable collar, so if it's piss and rain you can actually stick. I think you can stick it over your mouth. I've never tried it. I just kind of pulled it off from day one. So if it's really, really cold and piss and rain, the rain isn't going to go like... I think it's just to kind of keep your face and your neck warm, but then it also stops the rain going down like your back and your chest. But overall I'm really, really happy. It's a nice looking jacket as well. It's actually not too bad, but like these type of adventure touring jackets, they're not nice. Like they're not generally designed to look pretty, but this isn't too bad. It's a pretty nice flat style. Like it's very neutral. Oh yeah, and of course the build quality on it is amazing. There hasn't been one like loose stitch yet. So that's how you know it's good. Like even with the Dainese stuff, there's been like loose stitches on the pants. But look, guys, I just wanted to give a quick, wanted to be a quick overview of my gear. I just wanted to enlighten you on Gore-Tex if you haven't discovered it already. It's just the best shit in the world. Gore-Tex, hit me up with a sponsorship, yo.